Hi everybody. So this is a quick video explaining how to make a table using Excel. You can make a table using Google Docs in the spreadsheet area, but when we're going to make a graph, it's going to be important that we actually do it in Excel. So you're going to want to download any Google spreadsheet when you actually make that graph. So give yourself a little room above and below. So I'm going to start in A4 here, and we're going to start putting in our headings. So the first heading here is going to be the independent variable. So in my case, I'm going to say this is the habitat location, and then down here it's going to be voice field, sandpit field, and hay field. And what I want you to first notice is that, as you can see here, this heading has extended past the A column. What a lot of people are going to do is they're going to try and merge these cells. Do not do that. Just resize it by moving your cursor so that you're in between A and B, and notice that your cursor changes into this left-right arrow. When you click and drag, it resizes that particular column so that it all fits in there. So next you're going to have your trials. Trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, trial 4, average, and standard deviation. And above that you're going to have heading here. So in this case it's going to be soil temperature, and this is the dependent variable, and this is going to be in degrees centigrade or Celsius. Now here in this case we actually do want to merge this across because this heading applies to all of these columns, and so we actually want to merge across here. So as I select this first cell, hold down the Shift key and then click here, it's going to select all of those. You can do it another way by clicking and dragging, but I use the Shift technique. And then right here is the merge button. That's going to merge things across, and it's going to automatically center it. You can center things left and right, and you can also center things up and down using these alignment buttons here. The next thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to add grid lines to everything. Now, the grid lines that exist here as they are currently will not show up when you print it. So you want to make sure that you add appropriate grid lines where you need to. In this case here, you can't actually see the grid line area, and that's because we haven't maximized the entire screen. So what you want to do is click this green button, and now all of a sudden all of these other buttons are visible to you. So I select all the cells that I want to add a border to, and then this button right here is going to allow us to add the borders. Right there, and then around this one as well. Right here. And that's it.